God, bro. Should I even do this? Puppy combo! Guys, here it is. Power Drill Massacre. Now, I learned a couple of new things. Okay, so my save file is corrupted for some reason. Game crashes a lot, so I have to start a new game. Let's just skip through, alright? We'll just make a little cut in 3, 2, 1. Look it! And here we are. There's that guy again. They should make a first person view. And he disappears when I get on the top. But they should make like a first person view. Oh, and fun fact, Puppet Combo tried to make Power Drill Massacre 2, but it's incomplete, it's unfinished. The door is open, go inside, hell yeah. Alright, so I learned 3 things. 1, do not go into the sugar tunnels. Number 2, always walk unless the killer's chasing you. 3, I know a key location. So remember when I was like stuck at 2 keys? There we go. Yes. I'm gonna be at 3 keys. Brand new ripped jeans, brand new ripped jeans, brand new ripped jeans, John Mudd. He just starts off right there. It's like a freaking glitch. There we go. So the key could be in here. It's not. Okay, so remember, at the starting point, there's a key. Other area, basement, another key, and the middle gameplay area, another key. So remember that. Guys, we gotta go to the basement. Basement is the only option. ¡Ay, mierda! My God! Did you see that? Why is it starting off like this? Oh my God, I can't see my mouse. I don't know where I'm like clicking at. This walking attracts less attention. Freaking. What? I don't know. Alright. I got the key. There's another key. God, bruh. The imagery. Get back, get back, get back, get back. Who the hell was that? Can I enter? Why is it turning? Yo! Hey! Little girl! Can you help me out of here? Sit her down! Oh my god. Bro, I'm dizzy. Bro! Yo! Yo, where are we going? Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god! It's so bright! It's so freaking bright! We're getting slower!
Thing it.
Did we do it? Did we do it?
Sunday, mostly sunny and pleasant, high of 75. The UN today is renewing its call for a ceasefire between Iraq and Iran as negotiations with senior Iranian officials appear to have stalled. In local news, police believe to have found the remains of Jeff West after uncovering a wrecked vehicle off of Route 447. West and Megan Brook of Montclair, New Jersey have been missing
Wait,
since May.
look at-
Brooks' body has
Look
not
on
been
top of that
found.
mountain!
News at 11.
I see flashlights! I think that's us! We did it! Oh! Oh! What the fuck? Power Drill Massacre. Wow! Wow! Oh my god. Thank you for playing the Power Drill Massacre. Look out for the full version coming this October. Bro, there ain't no full version. But maybe it's actually this actual October. Maybe Puppet Combo is working on it. Maybe it's one of the biggest games Puppet Combo will ever create. And the game closed by itself. Guys, this was peak. For it to be a demo, it's decent. It's decent. Alright? Peace, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.